How to download and install CapCut on PC. First, open up your web browser, and in the search bar, we're going to be typing in CapCut and then we're going to search. Once you see CapCut.com, we're going to go to download for free. And that'll bring you to this page here where the website may prompt you to create an account, but you don't have to. Then we're going to go to download for free. Now, CapCut should begin automatically downloading in the top right corner, and once it's finished, you can go ahead and click on it. This will automatically open up the installation page, and it should only take a few moments to install. Once you've finished installing CapCut, open up the program, and this is what it's going to look like on the home page. Now, some key areas are create a new project. Beneath down here are the projects I've created previously that automatically save, as well as if you take a look to the left sidebar and you're interested in using templates, this is a cool area to have a look through. Now we're going to be going back to home and we're going to go to create project. And this is what CapCut looks like on the home screen. And in order to add videos, audio, or images, you want to go up to this import button in the top right corner. Then you can go ahead and search through your computer and find what you want to add. I'm just going to select this and go to open. And then it's going to add it to this area here. Now, in order to actually edit it, what you want to do is click and drag it onto your track. And from here is where you can use all the different features in the top left corner, such as adding audio, text, effects, transitions, filters, and more to your actual video. Now, if you take a look to the right, there's also a lot of important stuff over here you can use, such as this transform option to zoom in and zoom out. We also have a bunch of stuff down here, and there's plenty of options over here that are specific to this track. So I definitely recommend you have a look through this, and once you're happy with how your video is edited, what you want to do is go up to export in the top right corner, and this is where you can name your new project as well as change the video render settings and audio render settings if you'd like before exporting the file. Now, there's a lot of stuff here, so I highly recommend you watch some CapCut tutorials for beginners, but that is how you download and install CapCut on PC. If this video was helpful, like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.